Hey Code Ninjas! Welcome back to Programming Sensei. Today, we're ditching the boring and diving into the awesome world of VS Code customization. Get ready to transform your coding dojo into a personalized masterpiece that screams you. First things first, we need our secret weapon, the Customize UI++ extension. This baby gives you the keys to the VS Code kingdom. Think of VS Code as a website built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This extension lets you tweak it all with your CSS skills. It's like having a superpower for your code editor. Alright, let's install this bad boy. But hold on. Before you unleash its full potential, remember to launch VS Code as an administrator. Once that's done, head over to Settings and find the JSON file. This is where the magic happens. Make your changes, restart VS Code, and boom, you're ready to customize like a pro. Now for the fun part. The Customize UI extension opens up a whole world of possibilities. You can move the activity bar, tweak the status bar, even change the entire font of your interface. Imagine coding with a font that makes you feel like a coding ninja. Here are all the changes related to APC. This one right here controls where the activity bar, its height, width, position. By default, it can be seen on the left side. You can position it as you please. I'll keep it at the left side. This is the section for status bar. Its position can be altered just like the activity bar. There are whole lots of customization you can apply to your editor. I can't walk through all of them. Here's a personal favorite, changing the interface font. Remember, you'll need to have your dream font installed on your machine for this to work. I'm a big fan of JetBrains Mono. It makes everything look sleek and modern. But hey, the choice is yours. Go wild and find a font that matches your coding vibe. For this section, you'll need to restart VS Code to see the result. I won't do that. Let's continue. Want to add a splash of personality? You can even customize the colors of your theme. I'm using Atom 1 Dark Pro with a few custom color tweaks to make it truly mine. Like I said, I can't go through all the changes you can do with this extension, but of course you can find all the styles in the extension page. There are a whole lot you can do with this extension, changing individual sections' font, or applying one font to the whole interface. You have the option to do as you please. You even have the option to set background images. Isn't this cool? Let's not forget the icons. I'm using the Material Icons extension to give my editor a cool, modern look. Those colorful folders? That's all thanks to Material Icons. It's the little things that make your coding space awesome. Speaking of extensions, here's a quick rundown of my must-haves. If you have any other recommendations, drop them in the comments below. Let's share the knowledge. And that's a wrap, Code Warriors. Remember, VS Code customization is all about expressing yourself. So, get creative, have fun, and build a coding environment that inspires you to create awesome things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more coding adventures. Until next time, keep coding and keep customizing.